Passive income is a great way to make money without having to put in too much effort. However, it can be difficult to know where to start. If you're new to the world of passive income, this video is for you. We'll explore some of the best ways to get started making passive income. There are many reasons why you should start generating passive income. For one, it can provide you with a source of financial stability in retirement. Additionally, it can help you grow your wealth over time and provide you with more choices and opportunities in life. There are numerous ways to generate passive income. However, not all passive income strategies are created equal. Some are much easier to get started with than others, and some can generate significantly more income over time. Now, let me share the best ways to make passive income online for beginners. Invest in a high-yield savings account. High-yield savings account is a great way to make passive income because you can earn interest on your deposited funds. Start a blog. A blog is a great platform to share your ideas and thoughts with the world. You can also monetize your blog through ads and affiliate marketing. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it for profit. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is another excellent way to make money online passively. Sell stock photos. If you're a photography enthusiast, you can make money by selling your photos online. Design graphics. Graphic design is another popular way to make money online passively. You can create logos, illustrations, and other graphics for business and individuals who need them. Develop WordPress plugins or themes. If you're skilled in coding, you can develop WordPress plugins or themes and sell them for profit. Manage social media accounts. Social media management is a great way to make passive income because you can get paid to manage someone's social media accounts while they focus on other things. Be a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from home. This is a great way to make. Once you've identified your revenue stream, you'll need to create a plan for how you will generate passive income from it. This will involve some initial work up front, but once everything is set up, you should be able to start generating income with minimal effort. Finally, once you have your passive income stream up and running, it's important to monitor it regularly and make sure it's still performing as expected. This will help ensure that your passive income continues to flow in and help reach your financial goals.